Good day, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to learn about something very special, your personality and work environments. Have you ever noticed that some people love talking while others prefer listening? Some enjoy working in groups while others like working alone. Some love making plans, while others enjoy trying things right away. None of these are right or wrong, they're simply different personalities. Today, we'll discover how our personalities can help us choose careers and work environments where we can be happy and successful. By the end of this lesson, you might even discover something new about yourself. Are you excited? Then type ready in the chat if you're ready to begin. Let's first look at what we are going to learn today. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define personality, identify personal strengths and traits, explain how personality affects careers, match traits with work environments, and appreciate that every personality has value. Remember this throughout today's lesson. There is no perfect personality. Everyone has something valuable to offer. Now let's warm up with a fun activity. I'm going to show you two choices. Simply choose the one that sounds more like you. Don't overthink your answers. Just choose honestly. Ready? Here's the first one. Working alone or working with a team? Think about school projects. Do you enjoy doing things by yourself? Or do you enjoy collaborating with classmates? Next, quiet room or busy room? Do you concentrate better in a peaceful place? Or do you enjoy lively surroundings? Now, how about this one? Planning first or try immediately? Do you like making a plan before starting? Or do you prefer learning as you go? Now, here's the last one. Follow instructions or create. Would you rather follow clear directions or come up with your own creative solutions? Now go ahead and type your answers in the chat. There's no correct answers because everyone is unique. Look at how different our answers are. And that's perfectly okay. Those differences are part of our personality. Now let's answer an important question. What is personality? Personality is your unique way of thinking, feeling, and acting. There is no best personality. Think about your classmates. Some are outgoing and love making new friends. Some are quiet but excellent listeners. Some enjoy leading, and others enjoy supporting. Some are creative artists, and others enjoy solving difficult problems. These differences make every classroom interesting. One very important thing to remember is this. We are all different, and that's what makes us special. So why we should learn about our personality? Because personality helps us in many ways. First, it helps us discover our strengths. When we know ourselves, we become more confident. Second, it helps us choose. Imagine someone who loves helping people. They might enjoy becoming a teacher, nurse, counselor, or social worker. Someone who enjoys solving problems may enjoy engineering, programming, or science. Third, it helps us work better with others. Understanding different personalities teaches us patience and respect. Not everyone thinks like we do, and that's okay. Finally, personality helps build confidence. When you understand yourself, you stop comparing yourself with others and start appreciating your own strengths. Now it's your turn to discover your personality. Look at the statements on the screen. Read each one carefully. Then ask yourself, which statement sounds most like me? Maybe you enjoy helping people. Maybe you enjoy organizing things. Perhaps you love creating new ideas. Maybe solving problems excites you. Or some people enjoy working with others. Others prefer working independently. Choose the statements that best describe you. Remember, you can choose more than one because our personalities have many different strengths. Now you have a minute to answer. Excellent. Notice that everyone's answers are different. That simply means we all have unique personalities. Now let's reflect. Think about this question carefully. What personality trait best describes you and why? Take 1 minute to think. Then type your answer. Wonderful! Every answer shows a different strength. That's what makes each of you unique. Now let's review what we've learned today. First, what is personality? That's right. It is your unique way of thinking, feeling, and acting. Question number 2. Why is it important? Because it helps us understand ourselves, work better with others, build confidence, and make better career choices. Here's the third question. How does it influence careers? Excellent! Different personalities enjoy different kinds of work. The better we understand ourselves, the easier it becomes to choose careers where we can succeed and feel happy. Now, before we end today's lesson, I have one final question. What personality trait are you most proud of and why? Think carefully. This is your chance to celebrate what makes you special. Maybe you're kind. Maybe you're hardworking. Maybe you're creative. Maybe you're honest. Whatever your answer is, explain why you're proud of it. Go ahead and type your answer in the chat. Remember, your personality is one of your greatest strengths. Never feel like you have to change who you are just to be like someone else. Instead, continue growing while appreciating the unique qualities that make you you. Now, fantastic job today, everyone! Today, we learned that personality is much more than just being shy or outgoing. It influences the way we think, learn, solve problems, communicate, and work with others. Most importantly, we learned that there is no best personality. Every personality has unique strengths, and those strengths can lead us to careers where we can succeed and make a difference. Thank you for your active participation, everyone. Keep believing in yourself, continue discovering your strength, and remember that your unique personality is one of your greatest assets. See you in our next lesson. Have a wonderful day, everyone.